How did you know BestSub? Search engines? Social media? International expos? Our sublimation mugs? Or our stainless steel tumblers? We're a professional digital solutions provider with decades of industry experience. We leverage our dedicated R&D, design, and technical support teams to track trends and feedback, ensuring our products stay innovative and competitive. With over 100 patents, we provide full OEM FAODM services from conceptual design to delivery, helping turn ideas into business growth. Recently, we've expanded into DTF printing, engraving, and heat presses, serving both craft hobbyists and on-demand printing businesses. Our solutions boost efficiency, cut costs, and support sustainable, large-scale production. Our 8 globally certified factories strictly adhere to industry standards, with rigorous quality inspections at every stage: pre-production, manufacturing, pre-shipment, and packaging, ensuring all deliveries meet compliance. Supported by a robust supply chain and 45 agents worldwide, we guarantee fast delivery, localized support, and seamless global coordination. We've established local service centers in multiple regions, offering a one-stop solution that covers the entire DTF printing process. At BestSub, we drive innovation to expand market opportunities for our business and users. Through specialized products, we turn cutting-edge ideas into reality, transforming brand value into true BestSub innovation.